Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove account on Phantom Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Phantom Wallet app on your phone and right away scan Face ID and get signed in. Now right afterwards, you can see on top left we have an option of account 2A2. If I tap on that, I will have my two accounts listed right over here. But if I tap on this pencil icon beside it, right away at the bottom I have this option of remove account. I can just tap on it and tap on remove, and that account will be removed right away. It does not require any further security methods. You can simply tap on it, tap on pencil icon, and remove that extra account right over here. Now one thing that you have to make sure, if you only have one account, you want to find that option, because that will be your primary account and only account. But to create, you can also tap on add and connect, tap on create the account, tap on create, and there you go, your account will be created as well, like that. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.